Welcome back to ToolTips Lab, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews of tools that power your websites. Today, we're diving into the ultimate SEO face-off for 2025, Rank Math versus Yoast SEO. Which plugin gives you the real edge? Real test results? Real insights? Let's jump in. WordPress SEO is no joke. If your website isn't showing up in search, it might as well not exist. That's why choosing the right SEO plugin is critical. Rank Math and Yoast SEO dominate this space. But in 2025, the game has shifted. AI, performance, and user experience have changed the landscape. Yoast has been the old guard, the trusted name since 2010. It's known for simplicity and reliability. Rank Math, on the other hand, came in strong with features packed into its free version that Yoast often gates behind premium. But has that held true in 2025? Let's compare them side by side. Here's how the two stack up in 2025, where you can see clear differences in keyword optimization, schema markup, AI integration, speed, and others. We tested both plugins on a fresh WordPress install with similar configurations. Rank Math edged out Yoast in loading speed by 120 milliseconds. Not a massive number on paper, but over time it adds up, especially for mobile users. Lightweight code really matters in 2025. Yoast walks you through a classic setup wizard, familiar and easy, but limited in flexibility. Rank Math? It's like onboarding with a power tool. You get advanced options, modular control, and analytics integration. It's beginner-friendly, but with depth for pros. Here's where things get spicy. Rank Math's real-time suggestions are now powered by AI, offering better readability and SEO tips in 2025. Yoast's traffic light system remains iconic, but Rank Math's scoring system feels more dynamic and less rigid. Rank Math connects to Google Search Console, Analytics, and even integrates with Index Now natively. Yoast does too, but with more manual setup. Rank Math wins on automation. You can literally get insights from your GSC dashboard without leaving WordPress. Yoast's premium plan still runs $99 per year for a single site. Rank Math Pro starts at $69 for unlimited sites. That's a killer value, especially for freelancers and agencies. Even if you go for business or agency plans, Rank Math offers more bang per buck. Rank Math now offers automated image SEO, alt text generation via AI, instant indexing API with Bing and Google support, redirection manager with 404 logs built in, free. Yoast has made progress with readability scoring and SEO workouts, but their feature rollout is slower. Rank Math's Facebook group is buzzing, their support team is fast, and documentation is vast. Yoast has a bigger history and more tutorials, but newer creators seem to lean Rank Math. Even devs on Reddit are noticing. So, which one wins? Rank Math dominates in pricing, performance, AI integration, and overall value in 2025. Yoast is still a solid choice for minimalists and longtime users, but Rank Math is redefining what a modern SEO plugin should be. Are you Team Rank Math or Yoast? Let us know in the comments. If you're starting a new site in 2025, we'd lean Rank Math. But hey, every site is different. Try both, measure, then choose. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more plugin reviews, and don't forget to check out our next deep dive. Top 5 free SEO plugins for WordPress in 2025. See you at ToolTips Lab, where smart tech decisions start.